Are you in a hurry and you need to charge your all-electric Porsche vehicle as fast as possible? Then let's break it down. FAST.
Check it out.
F for fast charger. You have to drive up to a DC fast charger with at least 270 kilowatt of power. Very common are 300 kilowatt or 350 kilowatt stations. A for active route guidance. Use our built-in navigation system by entering your destination and starting active route guidance. The Porsche charging planner will automatically precondition the system, making it ready for the planned fast charging stop. S for state of charge. Start the charging process with a low state of charge and stop the fast charging session at 80% state of charge, since the last 20% to completely charge the battery take proportionally the longest. T for temperature. The high-power battery has to be within the temperature range for fast charging. It should be around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. You can see the current battery temperature in the instrument cluster by selecting information inside the right tube. Enjoy the charging superpower of your Porsche and have a good ride.